Can you guys hear now? It seems like the sound is back, so good. Okay. All right, so let's take a look at it. If you take a look at the thumbnail, we talked about it, guys. The same exact pattern, BTC is repeating the same exact pattern, but we have to be very careful, because if you take a look at the thumbnail, that's what I told you exactly. You can take a look at the moving averages, like the red line and then the yellow line. If you go back, you see like BTC is following the same exact pattern in this area. So it seems like Bitcoin is following the pattern I drew exactly. So, but the way you're gonna take a look at it, right? So BTC is kind of respecting market structures. This time we got 1, 2, third wave could be this one, because this is a 382 pullback. Okay, it is a 382 pullback. So what I'm looking for, at least a 1-to-1 extension. This is a 382 pullback. Let's see. Okay, it is exactly a 382 pullback. So I'm looking for a 1-to-1 extension of the first wave. The first wave was from like a 10.55 last night, right? 10.55. So now we got this first wave. Now you can extend it up to this area. You're looking for 11.07 to 10.1, right? So that's what I'm looking for. 11.1. Let's just round it up to 11.1, right? So that's why I'm looking for 11.1. But it doesn't mean we're gonna break 11.1, because sometimes BTC doesn't respect market structure. We could get like a FOMO move at 11.1, like up to a big spike to the upside, but I wouldn't be FOMOing up above like 11.1, right? So after 11.1, what we expect? I'm expecting a drop. Okay, I'm expecting a drop. I think we gotta get back in business, because it is quite interesting, right? So we're gonna be doing it like we were doing it before. So after 11.1, what we're gonna look for? We're gonna look for a pullback to 0.618. Okay, 0.618. Let's see, 0.618 of this entire move, right? It doesn't mean like we're gonna get a support, but we're gonna get a temporary. We could anticipate like a 0.618 pullback, which is roughly around like a 10.75. Okay, 10.75. So this is gonna be the wave number 5. Wave number 5 we're looking for in this area. It could take forever, guys. Like it could be like a ending diagonal like this. So don't be like don't be FOMOing, or like don't be like a shorting BTC like right now, or like because we could get like a nice spike to the downside like this and push it upside. So don't just anticipate this move like within the next 5 minutes, stuff like that. So let it mature, right? And you can see like every single wave number 5 has been an ending diagonal in this area. That's wave number 5 again. Okay, you can see that's wave number 5. Okay, right? You got 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, right? So you can see another one in this area. The same exact move I just put on the thumbnail, guys. I put this like this thumbnail like a couple days ago. So BTC is following the same pattern. Okay, you got another one in this area. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and 4, right? So the pullback in this area. So we could be getting a rejection at the 11.1. Okay, 11.07 to 11.1 in this area. It could be like a nice sideways correction to a 11.1, right? A fake out is very possible, but I wouldn't be waiting for a fake out. All right, a 11.4 and upward, right? So I would just be waiting for afterward 10.7, right? 10.75. And if 10.75 doesn't hold, we're definitely going to be getting the big spike to the downside we're looking for. Okay, and that spike to the downside we're looking for, it is going to be, let's see, it is going to be, we're going to take the entire move, right? We're going to take the entire move. Okay, we're going to take this entire move, and let's just ignore like this week, and then we're going to take the baseline, right? The baseline, which had the most touched price, 11.1. Come on, it is freezing. All right, 11.1, roughly in this area, right? So we could be anticipating, if like we don't get a support from 10.75, we could be anticipating this 382, which is a 10.4, right? After 10.4, we can look for 10.2 and so on, and 10,000, right? And see like if BTC is going to respect this fib level, right? After we get to 11.1, right? So after 11.1, guys, I wouldn't be FOMOing. It looks great, but I wouldn't be FOMOing, right? I wouldn't be FOMOing. And you can take a look at the 4 hour. It is not looking promising right now. It is still like, you know, the 4 hour is facing to the downside. So we could be coming back to get more juice before pushing to the upside, right? So 11.2, I mean 11.1, it is very critical, and we talked about it like a couple of days ago when BTC was like what 10.5 in this area, when we said like BTC already get like 5-way structure, but it might not respect, you know, market structure, right? You guys remember, because we said like we got 5-wave in this area, right? The most probable scenario is that for BTC to drop to 382 and push to the upside, but BTC sometimes doesn't respect market structure, so it just kept going, right? We just kept going like this. 1, 2. You would anticipate like that's wave number 3, that's wave number 5, right? But BTC just, you know, defy everything and then keep going, all right? It keep going like this, all right? So keep that in mind, guys. Keep that in mind. I'm bullish on BTC, but at the same time, you have to be honest to yourself and then not anticipate like you know, 12, 14, 15, right? So keep that in mind. And a drop to like a low 10k, even like to let's see, this area doesn't change anything about the structure of BTC, all right? It does not change anything about the structure of BTC. It does not change anything. It dropped down to this 0.618 to 0.786 doesn't change anything about the bullishness, okay? It doesn't change anything, right? Doesn't change anything. But if like we break it and break this area of support, okay, now we're gonna be like, oops, we're gonna have to look for a lower number, because we're gonna talk about the other scenario, guys. We talked about this flat correction. All right, so keep that in mind, guys. Let me take a look at the chat room very shortly. I just wanted to make a very quick update, because I haven't been making a quick update for a while now, so I just wanna get back in track. Yeah, so protect your money, guys. Like, it is not a financial advice. I don't want like you guys say like, oh, we didn't hit 10.1 or we didn't hit 11.4. It is all analysis. We got a lot of possibilities, so you have to protect your money, right? I'm telling you what I think could be happening. It is not a financial advice, and you know, I'm telling you what I think, you know, could be happening, right? So I'm just analyzing the chart. So you can do whatever you want, you know, but I'm doing my best to help you guys protect your money, not to lose your money. Okay, so if you guys lose your money, I feel really bad. You know what I'm saying? I feel really bad for you, even though it is not my money, but it kind of like a you know, it hurts me a lot, like, you know, when you guys say like you lose money because, you know, you didn't get in or something like that. Okay, so you cannot lose money if you didn't buy in. All you lose is opportunity. All right, and it is going to be more opportunities. Okay, you guys think like I didn't want to buy at these areas. Okay, I wanted to buy, you know, in this area also, but you know, we made plenty of money in this like from 14k, so it is okay. All right, it is okay. And most of you guys leverage, so if BTC goes up like 1000%, you miss the move to the upside, you're gonna get the move to the downside. So sometimes you don't get every trade. All right, you don't get every trade. So you gotta keep that in mind. You gotta keep that in mind, guys. So hey, what's up, Chris? Okay. Okay, I mean 11, the probability of spiking to the upside, 11.1, it is not like that much. If you've been, you know, if you've been riding this wave, it is definitely time to be taking profit. So it is not really time to be going all in. It is I mean, based on my personal like you know, analysis, based on my personal understanding of what's going on, it is not time to be going all in, right? It is not time to be going all in. Okay, you're gonna be like, okay, we're going to 16k and stuff like that, but you can, if you're looking for the long term, it is time to go all in right now. 10k, even if BTC drop like to a 5k, it is okay. You're only gonna drop 50%, right? So I mean, 50% is a lot, but I'm just saying, if you're looking for the long term, like 370, $400,000, 5k and 10k, it is going to be like so little, like in 5 years, right? So keep that in mind. So if you're looking for the long term, go all in. You know, it is not a financial advice, but if you're looking for like a, you know, 2 weeks at the most, it is not time to be going all in. Okay, it is not time. It is not time to be going all in, right? It is not time. but you can do whatever you want. I'm just telling you like what I think, right? So I could be like dead wrong, all right? I could be dead wrong, all right? Yeah. All right, guys. So hopefully it makes sense. So look for that wave number 5 on the lower time frame. So and then if like we get it, that's good. If we don't get it, it doesn't seem like we're gonna get much rejection. This is a corrective move, so we got a big volume on the 15 minutes. Now we're making a corrective move, so I want to see another 4 more move in this area before we make this move. So this is a nice clean pattern, guys. We put on the I put on the thumbnail. You can go back and take a look at it. The same exact pattern we've been making in this areas, guys. Same exact pattern. All right, same exact pattern, and double bottom push to the upside. So same exact pattern. All right, same exact pattern. So, and if you really take a look at it at the same time, that's like the 5th pattern we're getting. So it is quite interesting. So it is quite interesting. That's number 5 right here. So that's number 5. So yes, 15 minutes was completely oversold. We talked about it last time. Whenever the 15 minutes is oversold, pay clear attention. But on my yesterday's live stream, I didn't take a look at the 15 minutes, so I missed that. I definitely missed it. But whenever the 15 minutes oversold on this pattern, it is quite good. And 15 minutes and 45 minutes was both oversold at the same time, so it was quite I saw the 45 minutes. I don't know why I ignored it, but I saw the 45 minutes. I think Chris mentioned it also. Chris in the Telegram group mentioned the 45 minutes. Not quite, but you can see you can see on the 45 minutes we haven't seen like a wave number 5. We got 1, 2, we got 3, and then we could be looking for this wave number 5 to the upside. Okay, could be looking for this wave number 5 to the upside. All right, guys, thank you for watching. I'll talk to you guys later. Hey, what's up, Chris? Too many X factors. I mean, I was about to go, but it is what it is, guys. It is, Chris. It is what it is. Like, you cannot just come on and say like go with one scenario. You just have to protect your money. Like I say, when you're applying for a job, you don't just go apply for one job. All right, it's the same thing. When you're looking for a way to make money, you gotta look both ways. You gotta look for a way to lose your money and look for a way to make money. So that's why it is so many X factors. But it is what it is. So you just protect your money. That's the most important thing. That's why I'm giving you so many X factors, and then you're gonna choose the one that is best for you. Don't choose the one that I think is best. Choose the one that you think is the best for you. Okay, so keep that in mind, Chris. Thank you for watching, guys.